Why do we celebrate Holi? Why do we have a bonfire one day before the Holi? And why are we throwing colors on each other's? Did this question ever occur to you? You are aware of all the traditional reasons behind this festival of Holi. That is why we are doing it, right? But what is the scientific one? To know this, I'll request you all to watch the video till the end, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, you will be missing out such amazing reasons. Now you all are aware of the story behind Holi, right? That is, there was a king named Hiranyakashipu who was very evil. He wanted everyone in his kingdom to worship only him. But his son, whose name was Prahlad, he only worshipped Lord Vishnu. So here, this angered the king Hiranyakashipu, and he decided to kill his own son with the help of his sister, whose name was Holika. So Holika over here had a boon, that is a Ashirwad, in Hindi we call it. She had a boon that she will not get burned in fire. Okay, so because of this, they both decided to take Prahlad and make him sit in the fire, and like that he will die. But Holika was unaware of the fact that this boon will be applicable to her only if she is alone. So when she took Prahlad with her for in the fire, the boon was not at all going to be working, so she died. But throughout this, Prahlad was chanting the name of Lord Vishnu, because of which he was safe. So this is the actual story behind why we celebrate Holi, to conquer, to have a victory over the evil. So this is the story you all are aware. But why exactly are we having a bonfire before Holi? I'll be explaining you. The reason is, the festival Holi comes in the season of spring. Now this season, it is a ending season of winter, and during this time the summer starts. Okay, so there is a switch between winter and summer, right? Now this change in the weather can lead to coming up of new diseases. So many things that have a medicinal property in it, like coconut, camphor, cloves, are put in the bonfire. We worship that bonfire. So because of this, the air gets purified. The camphor and all helps in purifying the air. So now the air is purified, so the bacteria that would have led to many diseases are killed. Now once the bonfire is lit, you can see people doing a parikrama, that is going around the bonfire. Now why is it done? When the bonfire is like burning, heat is produced, right? When you go around the bonfire, you can feel that heat. So this helps in killing the bacteria that are there on our skin and also within. This purifies us also. So now this was the reason about the bonfire. But what about the colors that we throw at each other, right? You must be wondering, why are we throwing colors at each other? Yes, even there is a scientific reason for it. Right now, nowadays we are using the artificial color. But earlier in ancient times, colors were made from many other things. Like for example, yellow color. Yellow color was made from turmeric, which is a medicine. Green was made from a mehendi or neem. Orange was made from saffron. So these all things were actually, the colors were actually made from substances that had a medicinal property in this. When this were applied on your skin, this helped in healing your skin and also to add up to the beauty. That's the reason why colors were used during the Holi. Also during Holi, you can see people singing and dancing and all. Why are they doing all this thing? The reason is, during winter you are very lazy, right? So to come up, to energize yourself and be prepared for the few days ahead, singing and dancing is done. You all are always very eager for the Holi, right? Why? Because it is full of energy and full of enjoyment. This is the reason. You tell your body that now it's the time of relaxation is done, the time of laziness is done. Now you have to be energetic and you have to be prepared for the things ahead. So now this is the reason why we have a bonfire, we throw color, and we have sing and dance and enjoy our festival of Holi. So now this year, due to COVID situation, it won't be possible for us to enjoy the Holi, to celebrate it. But do remember the reasons, the actual reasons behind celebrating Holi, and from a year ahead, make sure you use a herbal and a natural colors instead of the artificial ones. This Holi, be safe, be at home due to COVID. But yes, year ahead, let's hope COVID and everything goes away and we are back on celebrating the Holi the way we were. So happy Holi in advance to you all.